The sequence function generates a list of sequential numbers in an array. The array can be one-dimensional or two-dimensional. The fields to be entered are rows, which is basically the length of the list of sequential numbers you want returned. Columns is if you want multiple columns. Start represents the value you want to start from, and step is what level of increments you want on your sequential list. So if I look at here, I could open up a sequence function and I could return, I think there's about 11 rows of names here. So to specify a number for each row, I could press 11, or there's actually 12. So if I specify 12, and that will automatically apply a number to each salesperson. But the sequence function can be particularly useful when coupled with another dynamic formula. So if we take the unique formula and we return all of the unique names from this table of data here, and if I apply, in order to apply a number to each name, I could use my sequence formula, and in order to apply the amount of rows, to specify the amount of rows I want returned, I could use a count A formula and select the data here, or select the B10, because that's actually where my unique formula is. So I don't actually have to select all the data, just B10, but I need to tell the count A formula that it's a dynamic formula. So I want to press the hashtag or the number symbol there to tell the counter formula that it's evaluating a dynamic formula. I'm going to close that, and then the counter formula represents the rows parameter in my sequence formula, and then I can close that, and then it'll automatically generate a number for each name. And should any name get updated to in here, so should this be Paul Riley, this will update my dynamic formula for the unique formula, and in turn a number will be generated in this column A data.